stuff. This is the best part about Daddy's day. When he gets to watch the baby doll princess and her little brother. It's food time. Food time. Yeah. She got her father's appetite. Really? More? There you go. This is apples and carrots. We like our apples and carrots, don't we? Yes, we do, baby doll. And then with a shot of cereal. If we don't get it there fast enough, you catch the wrath. Here comes the wrath. There, baby doll. Yeah. Oh. You okay? Okay. Alright, more carrots. More carrots and apples. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Eat with your mouth closed, please. You're right. You enjoy. Yes. She's only the most beautiful little girl in the world. One more bite. Okay. Say bye-bye to everybody. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm gonna finish eating.